Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these lines and we will apply the chamfers here, and we will make this sketch fully defined in solidworks. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my solidworks open. For creating a new part, I click on new part. Okay, now I have a new part. For drawing a sketch, you have to choose a plane, and here we have three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane. But for now, just click on the front plane. I will tell you what's the use of the other planes, but for now just click on the front plane and sketch. Now we have an open sketch. First thing first, we have to start drawing our sketch with the origin point. So here we have a circle. Here I draw a circle, 2-point circle. So you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So I draw a circle and I right click select to exit the circle tool. Now we have to draw a rectangle. So here I choose center point, the corner rectangle, and I draw a rectangle. Right click select. The center of the rectangle must be vertical to the origin point, so hold the control button and choose these 2 points, and here in add relation give it vertical relation, and the center of the this line must be horizontal to the origin point. So do the same thing here. Again, do it the point here and the origin point, and in add relation horizontal relation. And now we have to give the dimension. Here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of the circle here is 5 millimeter. And now we have to apply the chamfers here. Here choose a sketch chamfer, and the chamfer is 2 millimeter, and choose angle distance, and it's okay, and choose the point here. Yes, and do it here, here, and here. Okay. Now we have to delete these dimensions here, because we wanna give the line dimension. The dimension of this line is 2.83 millimeter, but the dimension must be 2 millimeters. So delete these dimensions and the points here, and delete all of these dimensions here and here, because we don't need them, and this one, and hold the control button and choose all of these chamfers, and you have to give them equal relation, because all of these lines have the same dimension, and here in add relation give it equal relation. Now choose a smart dimension and give this line a dimension of 2 millimeter. Now it's much better. And now we have to give this line a dimension. The dimension from this line, this line to the line here is 20 millimeter. And the center of this line must be horizontal to the origin point. So hold the control button and choose this point and the point here, and give it horizontal relation. And now we have to give this point must be vertical to the origin point. So when you give the chamfer, some of the relation may be deleted. So if we give the dimension again, now I should move my sketch a little bit, and we have to keep drawing the sketch. Here we have to draw a line from the point here, and a line here, a vertical line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. So here I connect it to this point. Right click select. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, the green symbols here, you can just come in hide and show items and turn on or turn off the relations or the dimensions. Now we have to trim this line. We don't need this line, so here I choose trim entities and I trim this line. And now the center of the line here must be horizontal to the origin point, so it must be at the middle of my sketch. So hold the control button and choose this point, the middle of the line, and the origin point here, and give it horizontal relation. And here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 20 millimeter, and the dimension from the line here and here is 40 millimeter. My sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving and some of the lines are still blue. So the line here must be equal to this line. So here equal relation, and our sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Yes, the dimension from this point to the point here is 20 millimeter. Now you can see everything here is fully defined because all the entities are black and my sketch is not still moving. And here we have to draw an arc here, so I draw an arc, and the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. Right click, select, and we have to connect this side of the arc to the other side, and right click, select, and hold the control button, and the center of the arc must be coincident to this line. So I choose this point and the line here, and I give it coincident relation. Now choose smart dimension and choose the arc here and give it 5 millimeter radius. So you can just hold the right click on your mouse, and you can easily choose the smart dimension like this. You can see it's much faster. So the center of this point must be horizontal to the origin point. So I hold the control button and I choose the center of the arc and the origin point, and I give it horizontal relation. But my sketch is still moving. We have to give it a dimension. So here I choose a smart dimension and I give it a dimension. And the dimension from this line to the line here is 2.5 millimeter. You can see it is fully fine. Now all we have to do is just draw 4 circles. So here I draw a circle and I will pattern the circle. So here I choose linear pattern and I pattern the circle about 4 circles. So here I choose the circle entity to pattern and I choose the circle here, and I need 2 circles in the y-axis. So here in y-axis I give with 2 circles. So the circles must be down to the sketch. So here I reverse the direction. Now it's okay. And we have to now give the dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 5 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the line here is 5 millimeter, and the dimension of the circle is 2 millimeter. And my sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving, because we have to give the dimension from this line, sorry, this point to the point here, sorry. These 2 points must be vertical at first. So here I choose this point and the point here, and I give it vertical relation, and now I give it the dimension, the smart dimension, and I choose this point and the point here, and I give it 10 millimeter dimension. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 10 millimeter. Now my sketch is becoming fully defined. And now we have to make this point horizontal to the point here. So you can just hold the control button and choose these 2 entities and give it horizontal relation. Now everything is black and my sketch is fully defined because nothing is moving. So you can see it is underdefined here because of the points here, the blue points here. So I can just remove them, and because of these points, so it doesn't matter. My sketch is fully defined because I know that the sketch is not moving. So my sketch is not moving and I know this is fully defined. So please practice at home and do it yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Thanks for watching this video.